Welcome! Are you ready to explore the rewarding world of woodworking? Whether you're looking to turn a hobby into a profitable venture or simply want to enhance your living space, this video is for you. We'll cover a variety of easy and money-making woodworking project ideas specifically designed for beginners. Not only will these projects help you upgrade your home, but they can also contribute to your income. From stylish shelving units to charming home decor, these projects will equip you with essential skills while allowing your creativity to shine. Let's dive into the exciting possibilities that woodworking holds for you and watch as your space and wallet transforms. Woodworking has long been a cherished craft that allows individuals to create beautiful items while also enjoying the satisfaction of working with their hands. If you're a beginner looking to delve into this rewarding hobby, you're in the right place. Not only can woodworking provide a creative outlet, but it can also lead to profitable projects that enhance both your home and your wallet. Crafting rustic picture frames is a perfect beginner woodworking project. Using reclaimed wood adds character and charm to each frame. You can create various sizes to accommodate different photos. Custom frames can be marketed to friends, family, or at local craft fairs, providing a nice return on a minimal investment. Cutting boards are practical and always in demand. Start with hardwoods like maple or cherry for durability and visual appeal. You can also personalize them by engraving names or designs, making them ideal gifts for weddings or housewarmings. These projects are quick to make and often yield a healthy profit margin. Planters bring life to any outdoor space, and making them can be both enjoyable and profitable. You can create various styles, from simple box planters to more intricate designs with multiple tiers. Use weather-resistant wood to ensure durability, and consider offering customization options to attract more buyers. Building birdhouses is a fun way to combine woodworking skills with nature appreciation. There are countless designs you can explore, from simple to elaborate. These charming additions to gardens can attract a variety of birds, making them appealing to nature lovers. Birdhouses are often seen as delightful gifts, increasing their marketability. Garden or patio benches are practical projects that can easily be assembled by beginners. You can opt for a classic design or get creative with unique shapes and finishes. A well-crafted bench not only enhances outdoor spaces, but can also be sold at local markets or online platforms. Wooden coasters are both functional and decorative. Creating sets of coasters with unique designs or engravings can quickly turn into a lucrative venture. They are simple to produce and can be marketed as part of home decor, especially if you incorporate elements like resin or paint for a more artistic touch. Toy boxes are not only practical for keeping children's rooms organized, but also provide a canvas for creativity. You can personalize them with themes or colors that appeal to kids. Building and selling toy boxes can be a great way to tap into an ongoing demand among parents looking for storage solutions. While a bit more advanced, coffee tables can be a rewarding project for beginners ready to challenge their skills. Simple designs with clean lines can easily fit into any living room. Consider offering different finishes or sizes to cater to various tastes and space requirements, making them appealing to a broader audience. As you embark on these woodworking projects, remember that the potential for making money is immense. By marketing your creations through social media, local craft fairs, or online marketplaces, you can reach a wide audience. The more unique and personalized your projects, the more likely you are to capture interest and sales. In conclusion, woodworking offers endless opportunities for creativity and income generation, even for beginners. By starting with simple projects like shelves, cutting boards, or birdhouses, you can upgrade your home while also building a profitable side hustle. With a little practice and ingenuity, you'll be on your way to transforming both your living space and your financial outlook. Thank you for joining us on this woodworking journey. We hope you found these project ideas inspiring and accessible, regardless of your skill level. Each project is designed to not only enhance your home, but also potentially boost your income. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more woodworking tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might be interested in getting started with woodworking as well. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content.